Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody and Barrett with your business updates for today. Small businesses in Jamaica now have a new way to raise money. The Jamaica Stock Exchange on Tuesday officially launched its micro market, a platform designed to help micro and small businesses access capital from investors while creating a pathway to future growth. So what exactly is the micro market? Think of it as a stepping stone to the stock market for smaller companies. Instead of relying solely on bank loans or personal savings to expand, eligible businesses will be able to raise between $50 million and $100 million by selling shares to investors. Speaking at the launch, Finance Minister Favour Williams said the market also comes with incentives aimed at encouraging businesses to list.
It's a full income tax holiday for the first 5 years after listing, followed by a 50% income tax concession for years 6 through 10. So this is encouragement for businesses to step forth and be listed, be counted.
But not every business will qualify. Companies must have at least 50 shareholders and make at least 20% of the company available to public investors. For businesses that are not yet ready to list, the JSC has also created a sandbox program where entrepreneurs can learn what is required before going public. While the requirements will be less stringent than those on the junior and main markets, companies will still be expected to meet certain governance and reporting standards.
So companies must have a minimum of 3 independent directors. It is mandatory that you have an audit committee. You must have strong financial oversight, and importantly, each company must have a sponsor. The sponsor is very vital.
And listing comes with responsibilities.
Upon raising capital on the micro market, we're expecting companies to expand, to export, to invest, and to employ more persons. Right, yeah, you have to do that.
The micro market was first announced in 2025. More than 200 potential businesses have already been identified, with the Jamaica Stock Exchange targeting at least 25 listings within the first 2 years. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody and Barrett. Thanks for watching.